Okay, today I will be making the whatever thing, this trick, stab trick. And the first thing you need to do, well, not really, but there's actually multiple types of this, like the one I just did and this, the closed version. Now, to show you how to do it, you first open it up like this. Then you move your finger here. Then you slam it back down. Then you use your two fingers to pick it up. Use your thumb as leverage and then pull it up. And that's how you do it. And how to do the other one. Same thing, but you'll do this. And same thing. And that's all there is to it. Bye.